The content creator featured in this video has repeatedly been asked by me and countless others to educate his audience about what actually happens in the meat, dairy, and egg industries. But rather than doing the ethical thing and telling them the truth, this creator has spread lies and is actively encouraging his audience to keep paying for animals to be raped, treated as slaves, and murdered. Slavery, in all its forms, has no place in a civilized society. Just because animals are smaller than us or weaker than us does not give us the right to bully them or make them cry and beg for their lives as they are stabbed to death. Animals are here on the planet with us, not for us. They are here for their own reasons. Our job is to protect them and the planet we all share. Let's remember that veganism isn't about food. It's a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. In order for you to be able to know the truth, I've had to cover up the images of violence, but if you're over 18 and want to see the original, you can find it on my YouTube channel. It's called The Truth About the Animals You Eat. If what you're about to see in this video sounds horrifying and makes you sad or angry, don't worry. This means you are a caring person. If on the other hand you don't feel any empathy for the victims, it's time to seek therapy and find out what hurt you in the past that made you this way so you can find a way to heal your heart. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell so you don't miss any follow-up videos about this subject. Animal agriculture is a multi-billion-dollar industry controlled by some of the world's most powerful people. It's an industry rooted in lies, secrecy, and animal abuse. Our schools, governments, doctors, and media have hidden the truth for long enough. Here's what they don't want you to see. In the dairy industry, cows need to be pregnant in order to produce milk. In order to collect the bull's sperm to impregnate the female cow, the farmer masturbates the bull's penis. Once the sperm has been collected, the female cow is forcibly restrained while the farmer inserts an arm into the victim to hold her in place. Then a metal rod is used to force the sperm into her vagina. When the mother gives birth, her baby is kidnapped from her so that the milk intended for her calf can be stolen and given to humans. If the baby is male, he's considered a waste product in the dairy industry and will be killed usually within a week. If the baby is female, she will also become a dairy cow and put back into this cycle of enslavement and violence year after year. When mothers are no longer able to produce milk, they will be sent to the slaughterhouse and murdered. Only female chickens lay eggs, which means that when the male and female chicks hatch, the male chicks are left on the conveyor belt and killed immediately by a macerator. This is because they are considered a waste product in the egg industry. The process is the same for all eggs, including free-range, organic, and RSPCA-approved eggs. The female baby chicks are taken off the conveyor belt, where the tips of their beaks are burnt off without pain relief. The female chicks are then transported to farms, where they are forced to lay hundreds of eggs in crowded and unsanitary conditions. After a year and a half, the chickens are carelessly put into crates and loaded onto trucks designated for slaughter. The chickens are already severely traumatized from careless handling and overcrowded conditions. This journey will be the first and last time they will ever see the light of day. At the slaughterhouse, the victims are hung upside down and lowered into a tank of electrified water. Shortly after, their throats are slit by an automatic blade. If the chickens move their heads while they are approaching the blades, they may end up drowning in the scalding water further down the process. Turkeys did nothing wrong. They never deserved to have their heads chopped off. Neither did chickens. Neither did ducks. Neither did sheep. Neither did goats. Vegans are asking for your help to save them. In the pork industry, the same process begins with the farmer collecting the male pig sperm by masturbating the boar's penis. The farmer then inserts the sperm into the female pig's vagina in order to impregnate her. Once the mother pig gives birth, She's confined to a metal device called a farrowing crate, where she's unable to move or turn around to see her babies. All of her piglets will have their teeth clipped and their tails cut off with no pain relief. Unhealthy piglets are deemed a waste product and are slammed against a concrete floor by farmers. This is standard practice in the pork industry. When the pigs are 6 months old, they are sent to the slaughterhouse to be killed. In the pork industry, pigs are lowered into a CO2 gas chamber where they will suffocate and burn from the inside out, just like the Nazis did to the Jews in World War II, and then they will have their throats slit. In the fishing industry, fish are thrown in ice-cold water where they can take up to 30 minutes to suffocate and freeze to death. Even though their screams are silent, it has been scientifically proven that fish can feel pain. These practices happen to animals all over the world. Australia, United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Thailand, Cambodia, Spain, France, Mexico, India, Ireland, Russia, Norway, Nepal, Turkey, Vietnam, Japan, Italy, Uruguay, Indonesia, Greece, Germany, China, Brazil, Belgium, everywhere. The only way to end the suffering is to stop eating animals, wearing animals, and using them for experiments and entertainment. Scientific studies have shown that eating meat, dairy, and eggs can cause a variety of diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. More than 800 scientific studies worldwide have proven that processed meats such as bacon, hot dogs, and deli meats are a Class 1 carcinogen, meaning they cause cancer in humans. And even though these products are known to be harmful to our health, they are readily available to children in schools and for sick patients in hospitals. A plant-based diet with B12 can provide all of the essential vitamins and nutrients, including protein, iron, and calcium. And it has also been proven to reverse certain diseases and cancers. And if that isn't enough, animal agriculture is not only responsible for inflicting unimaginable suffering on animals, it is also the leading cause of species extinction, ocean dead zones, water pollution, and habitat destruction. It's time we change the way we view animals, to see them as individuals who are with us, not for us. From this moment on, you can no longer say that you didn't know. Please take a moment to let everyone know about all the references in this video. There's only one way now left to go. Time to be vegan from now on. Subscribe and press the notification bell. Help us get the animals out of hell. Thank you. Empathy, empathy. Animals are not ours to eat, wear, experiment on, or use for entertainment. Animals are here with us, not for us. Vegan with me. Empathy, empathy.